I want to talk about something that every creator needs to hear. Like literally, you need to hear this. As good content creators know, a great video isn't great solely based on the subject matter. It isn't great just because of how you shot your video or the B-roll that you added. One of the most important elements to a great video is how you sound. You can have the most brilliant video. It's a great idea, it's funny, it's emotional, it has viral written all over it. But if your sound is bad, most of your viewers will click off before they ever get to the second or third line of your video. Trust me, even the best ideas fall flat if your audience is too distracted by crunchy, echoey audio. That sounds like someone yelling at you through a drive-through speaker from 1997.
Good afternoon and welcome to Freddy's. You can go ahead with your order whenever you're ready.
So let's fix your audio issues. Let's talk about the COMICA BoomX wireless microphone. Now, just to be clear, the mic that you see here is not the latest version of the COMICA BoomX wireless mic series. I keep thinking about upgrading to a newer version, but the one I have works great, so it's kind of one of those things why fix it if it ain't broke? Having a good wireless mic can be a serious game changer. As far as the COMICA Boom mic goes, it's compact. It can be used as a lavalier mic that you clip to a lapel or even inside of your shirt. I personally don't usually show the mic that I'm using, so I usually put it somewhere inside. Or it has a clip on the back and you could literally clip it to the top of a camera. A lot of times I clip it to an actual mic stand. Hell, you can even clip it to a spatula, as I often do. It comes with a dead cat that you can attach to the unit, as well as a styrofoam wind muff that can attach to the lapel mic. There's a one-touch noise cancellation button. It's simple to use, and best of all, it's perfect for shooting with your phone. Note, if your phone doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, like many iPhones, mine included, you may need a lightning adapter or a USB-C adapter to convert the 3.5mm signal. And I should point out that even though this mic works great with any smartphone, there are many creators that use this microphone with higher end cameras, whether it's for YouTube podcasts, vlogs, or even Zoom calls. Now, setting up is a breeze. You plug it into your smartphone, turn it on, and boom, you're ready to go. All right, so here's a real world test. Okay, so this is the audio just from the iPhone's microphone. And I'm about 4 feet away from the phone right now. Cars driving by, not a whole lot of wind, but this is the audio with no mic attached. And now this, and a car is driving by now, you'll probably be able to hear that, but this is with the COMICA BoomX with the wind muff on it. So it's going to drain out a little bit of wind noise, which there actually is just a little bit of wind picking up. And hopefully the audio is going to sound much better than what it was without the mic. And of course, what you wouldn't be able to get is the difference when I'm standing far away. Let's just do one of those comparisons, just for the hell of it. Okay, just the iPhone's microphone, and I'm probably about 12 feet, I say, from the phone. And you probably can't really hear me that well because, well, I'm 12 feet. And we're going to even let a car go by just so you can hear the difference when I hook up the mic versus the car going by when I don't have the mic hooked up, like what's about to happen here in just a second. And now it's the same exact test, and just in time for a truck to go by. I'm sure you could probably hear it, but you can also hear my voice a lot better, and hopefully it's a lot more crisp, a lot more clear, especially from a distance like this, which again is about 12 feet from my phone. And we'll go ahead and do one more test. This is with the mic, and I actually am using the lapel mic this time. So it's plugged in using my handy dandy Pocket 3. So you can get a feel for the distance. And also, I've just got this clipped on. And again, this probably, I'm going to say it's 3 feet away. You're probably going to hear a little bit of an echo in here just because there's nothing on these floors, very little as far as like sound protection, but this is with the mic. And now same test, but with no external mic, just using the iPhone's mic. Probably isn't as much of a distinct difference as what I'm guessing. I'll find out soon enough whenever I listen back to this. But when you're close enough to the iPhone or any other decent smartphone, you actually can get decent audio. But the real difference is the further you get away from your actual phone speaker. That's when you can really tell the difference that an external mic can make. It's more clear, it's warmer, it's more focused. Without the BoomX, it sounds like I'm talking through a pillow. But with the mic, you get clear and crisp audio. Here's the thing, you're not just hearing me better, you're paying more attention to what I'm saying. And that is the difference good audio can make. You see, a lot of viewers can overlook a shaky video that doesn't have perfect lighting. But what most viewers can't overlook is shitty sound quality. Great sound equals great engagement. You can have the most stunning visuals, but if your audio sounds like it's coming from a tin can that's 5 miles away, you're gonna lose your audience faster than a YouTuber says, "Smash that like button." Just imagine, your audience is fully engaged, hanging on every word you say. And most of that is because of how great your audio sounds. Don't let the lack of high-end camera gear keep you from creating great content. But you also need to remember, great audio is crucial if you're serious about great engagement. I have the COMICA BoomX series that comes with 1 transmitter and 2 mics. This one is great for interviews or any type of 2-person video. I'll leave a link to the newest version of the single mic as well as the dual mic version. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you found it useless, go fuck yourself. I'm kidding, mostly. If you didn't get anything out of this video, seriously, give it a thumbs down. I appreciate the engagement and the feedback. Please consider subscribing for more tips and reviews, and drop a comment below. Tell me what your favorite mic is, especially when you're filming from your phone. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.